Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all charging methods for your earbuds OPPO Enco Air3i. The first method is a classic one, is to use an adapter and USB-C cable. Connect adapter to the power. And then, at the bottom of the charging case, we have USB-C port. Connect USB-C cable right at this port. And on the front side, we see the LED light, meaning that your earbuds are charging. The second option is to use your phone to charge your earbuds. And all you need to have for this is just USB-C to USB-C cable. But if your phone does not support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. Connect USB-C cable to your phone, and the second one to the charging case. And again we have the LED light, so it also works. The third option is to use a USB-A to USB-C cable, and you can charge your earbuds from, let's say, your PC. So it looks like this. Connect USB-C cable to your earbuds, and I'm going to connect USB-A cable to my PC, but you can also connect it to the another device with USB-A port. And again we have the LED light, so this one also charge your earbuds. This earbuds doesn't support wireless charging, so we cannot use wireless charging station or reverse wireless charging. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!